Okay, we made this. We also made some Lego ones that are downstairs. I got a point, she got half a point. We're gonna see if these guys can get a point. So Emily's was made out of easy bottles and a carton and tape. Mine was just a bottle cap, bottle and tape. That's all it is. And mine's supposed to float like this. Or like this, or like this. Who does? Actually, it's supposed to go like this, or like this. Those are and Emily's is supposed to float like this. So she can get half a point if it tips over and still floats, but she cannot get a full point unless it stays on the actual side. So we're gonna pop that camera down there. We're gonna open this up. So we're going to start filling the bathtub with water.
Fill it up.
I'm gonna put this down. So this is Emily's. It is a basically, to me it looks like a raft. And then it's floating off. And of course, you don't have it. This is mine. This is mine. There's a basic photo. It can either go this way or this way. It's not really a raft. I was hoping for it to be like a speedboat, but it doesn't really matter. I just want to get my goal. So the story is 1 half, 1 and 1 half. I'm winning currently, but we're just seeing if this boat challenge is actually going to work. This is our second time the camera's accidentally stopped, so let's get this over with. So we're going to wait for the water to be a bit deeper. We're giving you a moment to examine. Now is the point you might want to fast forward. We have boats of all shapes and sizes. We also filmed another boat Emily made, and it does float, and it's super cool. So we're just gonna wait for a while. Wait till it fills up. Mine's just a tape mess. So it's coming out full. We're trying to make it speed up, but everything will be okay. It's getting deeper and deeper and deeper, and soon the bathtub will be full of water, and we can place these magnificent boats into the water. Now, the water might be cold, might be warm. We might get startled because it's so hot or so warm. We might be like, yikes, I don't want to put my boat in there. It might melt this. I'm just kidding. I think it melts it, but it might like burn it or something. Also, turns out a balloon full of water. If you put it on to a candle, it will not fill it. Oh.
I'm pulling it down.
Okay, so we're cooling the water down. It's pretty hot. So that's how
Feel it.
Now, okay, we're just going to wait a bit longer.
About 1 minute.
We can pop our things down there. Okay, so let me just check. We have half a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the water!
I almost fell in.
Woo!
Okay, fan, can you face it down?
So first, we're going to see if Emily's boat floats. It floats exactly how she wanted it to. I think she gets a point. Now it's time for this boat. Face it down, child. So, my boat's too. It floats actually so well, and it moves by itself. That would be great if you lose your engine, you can float to shore. So that'd make an excellent boat. Okay, so since our boats floated tremendously, put it down. Since our boats floated tremendously, we are going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets half a point. Put your thing down. So I currently have 2 points. Emily has 1.5. It could become 2-2 or 2.5, 1.5. We don't know. We're going to do rock, paper, scissors and see who wins the extra point. The extra half. Rock, paper, scissors. So, best 2 out of 3.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, shoot. So she gets half a point. It is currently 2-2. We will see who wins.
Yeah.
So, Emily, get your boat. We'll keep the water in there for when we float our next boat. And next time when we make our next boat, you will get to see the other boat float. So, Emily, okay.
Can you hold it?
I can't. Because my fingers are wet and I'm in the front, so you can't. Sorry. But I'm not facing it backward. Okay. So we're going to put it on our boat tray. And our boats are going to float tremendous. So Emily's boat, our first try, this. It put up quite a fight to float, but we put a man on here to see if it could be a nice boat design. The boat sank. Well, it didn't sink, but the man was underwater, which could make the man die. So she got half a point for that, because it floated. I got this. I got a point because it floated and the man stayed in the boat. So it would be a tremendous
No. See, it didn't float with the man
I
inside.
know. So we're gonna put our
It's not gonna walk.
boat on the tray. So these are our boats. Okay. So no one made this one. Well, Emily did, but it is not a thing. So we're gonna make one more boat. Do you want to do 5? Because it's quite fun. How about we make the other 2 out of the video? Hey? Yeah. Okay, so I got this. This is just a thing. So I got my 2 boats. Emily's got her 2 boats. Okay. So let's
So
make
you
our next
have
boat.
to do 3.
Because it's a tiebreaker. So we have to. Okay. Our next boat will be made out of, drumroll please, bottles! So we have a bottle here and some bottle caps. I just need some bottle caps, so I'll need these bottle caps.
I need some bottle.
You can have that one. We only get 1 bottle each, and if you just want to make yours out of bottle caps, you get a couple. So mine's going to be a little bit of a capsule. Ooh, these 2 Okay, I need this. Ah! Okay.
Was mine a pretty good boat?
You gotta use some tape then.
No, I mean that one. The big one. They both floated.
Yeah, so we each got a point, but we did rock, paper, scissors to see who got half a
Daddy,
point.
please tell me you did not empty the tub. What? Did you empty the tub? Good.
He hasn't even been upstairs.
No, he went upstairs. I heard the gate.
That was Derek. Okay. Mine looks ridiculous. Mine is a birthday cake boat. We go on it for both days. Both days. Because mine looks like an honest cake. You're not allowed to do that because my design's already that. So you got to... Okay.
No, I'm going to switch it up.
We're doing our things out of bottle caps, not bottles.
Oh.
So you should probably take that bottle cap off.
Or I can just put lots of bottle caps on it.
No, we're supposed to make it out of bottle caps, not bottles. Okay? There's my birthday cake boat. See, you have 3 layers. Now I'm going to put tape over it for protection. Protection. I'm going to make sure the whole thing sticks. The whole ball of wax. Okay. Whoo, whoo, whoo. So here's my perfect boat. So I wasn't expecting it to be this high tech, but to be fair, since Emily did not get 2 bottle caps, I'm going to take off one of my bottle caps and give it to Emily. And actually, you can get a point for giving up some of your materials. Well, half a point. So I earned half a point for giving up my material. So here's my boat. Let's hope it floats. Rhymes. Okay, let's see who gets half a point and who loses one. So if your boat sinks, you lose a point. And the other person gains one, so you basically lose by 2 points. Yeah, that's okay. No, it's not. You have to make it add up. Okay, fine. That's okay. Do it. But then,
I know.
since mine floated like this, yours has to float like this. Okay? Okay.
But
Our boats are done?
I can do it like this.
No, because mine already floated like that, so you can't copy. You ready?
But it's the opposite way.
No, that's the exact same way. Mine floated like this. Okay? You have to float. No, Emily! It has to float like that, okay? So, mine's gonna float like this. Emily's is gonna float like that. So let's go to the tub.
Yeah, that's impossible to do.
It might not be. Some boats do have that. Let's go upstairs. If your boat flips aside, you just get half a point, okay, Em? But if it sinks, then you don't get a point at all. So I'm not sure mine's gonna float. Scared. So we got our tub. And I'm gonna put mine in. Emily, face it down, please. Face the camera down. At the tub. Okay. Oh, it floats! See the little bob, the little white thing right there. That's my boat. That's my boat. Okay, let me take my boat out of the water. So I got a point. Oh, but Emily gets half a point because her boat tipped upside down.
Well, that's...
Also, put it back in the water so they can see it. So we're going to put it the way we want it. Oh, poor Emily. So, I won. So sad. So, we're going to go downstairs. We're going to open up the sink. And we're going to show you the boat that Emily made, but is not in this competition. And we're going to show you how it floats. Okay. So this is my winning boat. Woo!
Oh, we can do it up here and this thing.
I know. We will. But we gotta bring these back. Also, get the boat. We gotta bring those. Ah! She threw it from the top. I'm glad I wasn't there when it fell. Okay. So let's get our boats.
You only got a red head anyway. It wouldn't know.
Okay. So here's our boat tray. All the boats we made. All our winning boats. I won! So here's our boat.
I made it a brownie.
Yes. So we're going down here, we're going up here, we're going here to fill up the sink. Lights on! Pizzazz makes it much better. Emily?
Here.
Oh! Oh, get the camera. Get the camera in the corner. Keep the camera in the corner. Close the door. Close the door. Whoa! Look how full it is. No! Don't bring it. No, we're not bringing those. We're testing this one. Then we'll show them the Lego one.
Sorry.
Okay, hold it like that. Hold it like that.
But it's my boat.
See, it fits perfectly. And that's why we wanted to show you. Now we'll show you our Lego boats, which you missed. Okay? And Emily, stay there. I'll get your boat and I need to get my boat and I'll put your boat back. Emily, you gotta put your boat on your side. I got my Lego boat. Please tell me you didn't put yours in the water.
I didn't.
Okay, let them see the water. Okay, this is my boat. Okay, putting it in. So the water is filling up in there. So there's actually water in there, but happily it's not sinking. It's just whoever's riding it might get a little wet. That's because of the holes on the side. Gets some water. So even if you're planning to get wet and you want it to be a surprise. I'm wet! It's a perfect one. So I'm sure it'd be a perfect design, except it's not Lego, and if we were to make it, we would need to fix up those holes. Fix them up. So yes, it is a perfect device. So now we're gonna put Emily's in the water. So Emily's was supposed to float like this, like a raft, but sadly
Try
it
not to
went
spill water everywhere, please.
Okay, sadly it went overboard.
Oh, well, go upstairs. You can wait down here. Oh, don't throw that in the water.
So Emily got
Okay, well,
out.
stop videoing and then go to the water.